What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2023 Hyundai Elantra started if the key fob dies. So like I said, it's a 23 Hyundai Elantra in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, I'm going to get a message on the dash saying key not detected. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the vehicle as normal, except I'm going to use the top of the key fob to press the stop start button. So come over here, press the brake in like you normally would, and then I'm going to take my key fob and use the top of it to press the stop start button. And then you'll be ready to drive as normal, and you'll just need to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to change the battery in your key fob in case you're not familiar. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.